Hi guys, welcome to Manu and his Evergreen Labs. So today is a great day. Today I am going to discuss with you 5 simple techniques or 5 simple steps to make your business, whether it is big or small, to make its presence felt across the world's biggest search engine, Google. To be more specific, I will be discussing with you 5 simple steps on how to optimize your Google My Business listing across Google Search and Google Maps. The most important reminder: optimizing Google My Business listing is secondary. The primary thing is to register or list your business across Google My Business. If you have not yet done it, watch my previous video. Links has been shared above and also in the description below. Watch it, execute it, then, and all the ones who have registered already can watch this video and optimize their Google My Business list. Now let's get started. Before we get it started, you should actually know what are the benefits of optimizing your Google My Business listing. Benefit number 1, better search visibility. Benefit number 2, displays useful business information. Benefit number 3, tracks website traffic and audience behavior. Benefit number 4, customer interaction on a single go. Benefit number 5, encourage and respond to customer review. These are the 5 benefits of optimizing your Google My Business listing. Now, before diving in, let me give you your call to action. If you are on Facebook, do follow my Facebook page. If you are on YouTube, do subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you are on Twitter, do follow my Twitter handle. All the links will be given in the description. And your call to action starts now, and I will give you 5 seconds to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you have completed your call to action. If the time was not sufficient, watch the video. After that, do follow, do subscribe. Now we can start. Now let's optimize Google My Business listing and reap huge benefits, and I guarantee you huge profits for your business. Log into your Google My Business profile. As you can see here, the performance dashboard, which has been partially optimized, we need to optimize it fully to 100%. We will do it in 5 simple steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Enter all your business information. Add categories and subcategories to your business. Specify the area where your business caters its products or services. List out the business hours. In my case, it's 24/7. Add your primary and secondary contact numbers. Add your business web URL here. Add a detailed business description for people to understand what your business is all about. Enter your business inaugural date or the date of launch. Step 2. Manage and respond to customer reviews. Encourage customers to leave feedback by sharing with them your Google My Business link. Positive reviews given by your existing clients or customers are going to have a positive effect on potential customers when researching your business, thereby also increasing your business visibility in search results. Interacting with customers by responding to their reviews or queries illustrates that your business values its customers and the feedback that they leave regarding it. 3. Enable messaging. Now customers can instantly text you as they find the business on Google search. To get started, download Google My Business app and log in. Select the messaging button in the menu and put the phone number through which you can receive the text messages. Step 4. Upload business visuals and or creatives. Set your business logo with the caption. Upload all the pics and videos in context to your business products and services. Step 5. Upload posts frequently. Give customers a reason to come and search for you. Create posts with attractive offers and great call to actions. Create posts on any new events. Let customers know what new is happening through your post. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Hope I have added some value to your time. Hope I have added some value to your business. Would recommend you to please perform your call to action, that is follow and subscribe my social media handles across YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. Now why I am saying this? I am saying this because here I am discussing the latest marketing technologies which you can utilize and bring a huge lot of difference across your business. So hope you perform your call to action. Signing off guys. Take care. Bye bye.